So for us ladies, you know, when it's our monthly thing, we feel a sharp pain also.
We ain't saying that in a minute. Yeah, we remember.
Okay.
Just don't think about it, just go. Let's push yourself up. Let's push yourself up. Huh? What if you can't? You have to. Look at the pressure, it's moving very fast. See, by the time you get up, she's already at the other. Let's look. Yeah, man.
I said, did you jump? You jumped. I jumped. Oh my God.
Good job, my friend. That is it. That's how we do it, you know? So me and Renee about to jump. You see, you got it? Yeah, man, you have to come right here. You put your foot up and we jump.
I think come some more. Come some more than us. Yeah, him good there, so.
She good
yeah,
there,
yeah.
Huh? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. That is it. Roaring River, you know? One Roaring River. Me and the guests them outside, I say enjoy ourselves, live life, the authentic Jamaican experience, you understand? That is me. So, about to make my jump right here. You see me? That is it. That, look at my guests. They're enjoying themselves, man. Good vibes. Good vibes, good vibes, good vibes. So it's jump time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, good vibes, like all the time, you know? Yeah, man. This tour is Rastasafari Experience Tour, and trust me, it's definitely a must. Put it on your bucket list when you're coming to Jamaica. Yeah, man, enjoy this beautiful river. Enjoy the vibe. Yeah, man, that is it. Cool and nice and refreshing.
It is refreshing.
Yeah, man.
Oh my gosh. As you're saying, it gets warmer and warmer.
Your body get used to it, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That is it. Fully outside like all the time. Yeah, man, so we're on that bridge right now. Yeah. That is the vibe. Woo. Going strong. Authentic vibe, man. We're in the river, you know? That is it. Good vibes. Like all the time. Yeah, can you put up? Boom. So next stop, the marijuana weed farm tour. Yeah, man. So we're gonna check out the marijuana weed farm tour right now. Yeah, man. Remember, Rastasafari Experience. Book this tour right now. It's 1 in a million, man, here in Jamaica. The real authentic Jamaican lifestyle.
So you listen to Junior, I'm going to explain about the plants to you ladies.
Okay.
Feel free.
Right here for origin. This one over here suppress appetite. So this 4 plant CBD and I also have it in medicine over there. I will explain that part shortly, yeah? Purple haze mixed with white with it. It's a hybrid. Yeah? You can come on inside.
This one is for epilepsy.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
This one for epilepsy.
Yeah, that one, yeah.
What's the name of it?
Girl Scout cookie.
What's the name of this one?
Yeah, Girl Scout cookie.
Girl Scout cookie?
Yeah, platinum Girl Scout.
Platinum Girl Scout.
Yeah. This plant right here is a feminized plant. So what I do is like female plants, so I do like 1 pot or 2 pot in the female. So I change up the female plant to a male plant. Alright, if you look right here, you can see the panels. It is on the seeds, yeah? This tree also. Here, 17 days old. Yeah. So when I do so, yeah, so you know at night plants sleep. But I check them so
They always have light.
Yeah. So I always have the lights on so they grow faster. Yeah? So you see if I have a strain and I don't
Beautiful rain, you know? That is it. Fully active and outside, you know? That is it, bad girl. That is it. That is it. Good vibe.
Everybody say welcome to Jamaica. And blow the whistle, alright? Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Jamaica!
Alright, here you go.
Get it sexy! Get it sexy! Get it sexy! Hey! Okay, it's the men! Hey, okay!
That is it.
Yeah, yeah!
Big up, big up, big up.
He told me not to drop it in the water. Where the conch? So we here in Jamaica. This is the place to be. Snorkeling. Say whoop whoop. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop.
That is it. That is the vibe, you know? Yeah, man. Fully outside, man. My bro. One arcade tour. That is it. Never lie. And we outside like all the time, man, you know? That is it, man. Catamaran cruise. Yes, the mother snorkeling. That is it.
Them not gonna come out. How you get it to come out?
So you don't eat seafood?
You don't afraid anything else.
It feel okay. You should grab it. It don't feel bad at all. It feels like hairy. Put it on.
Do it when you do it there.
Do it, Nancy.
Do it there.
Okay, if I had another drink, I would have did it.
Sure.
Let me do it. You have to do it.
Brother, I've done my first mess that in my life.
I want to put them on my
Eh?
It's a different color.
Yeah.
That's how them when them see them, brother. Them big.
Eh?
When them back big.
Eh? I'm a cross here, we. I first mess you one.
Very gentle, very gentle.
Eh?
Do it,
I first mess you
and very gentle. For real. And no worse than it feels.
Fully outside,
I'm
you know?
in Jamaica, I can do it.
Put it in your hand, man.
No, the female, you can touch the female, but not the male.
Oh, the male is the black one?
Yeah, the male.
How do you know which is which? How do you know which is the male and male?
So they fly. They like big and really
The male is the black one?
Yeah.
How do you eat them?
You want to touch it?
They don't fit not.
Let me touch it. Let me touch it.
We don't feel in danger.
Let me touch it, bro.
Yeah, because the female
Let me touch it, bro.
I want a picture with that. Where's? Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay, you're going to send me those pictures, right?
yeah.
Y'all going to send me them pictures?
What's up, man? Alright,
And them the one they trying to do.
Eh?
It's really heavy.
This is how I move, man.
Hold it tight.
It could eat.
It don't fold. It don't fold. It's just really heavy. Give it to him.
Oh.
It's really just heavy. That's it.
Nice.
Yeah, bro. That is it, man.
Water road him there.
Take a picture.
No,
Take a picture of me holding it.
Huh? I did take a picture already.
one?
Yeah, I take it already. Let me take a video now.
Take a video.
Yeah, man. I'm take back a next picture.
Jamaica nice, missy. I got a female orchard in my hand.
Vibes.
It's heavy, right? A little bit.
I'm going to dash you. Yo, that whistle is no joke. That whistle is no joke. You call them the whistle gang. That is it, that is it.
Somebody make some noise! Now, ladies and gentlemen, we got a tick box right there. If you want to show your support for the dancers, your DJ, your MC, all you gotta do is drop something right in the tick box. Now we got. Hey, yo, those when I'm big.
Oh, yeah, Papa Rasty on. Remember you to the camera, man. Nah, camera be special, man. Nah, posting no one. So we did make up for the toilet, man. We don't look fine. We feel like I'm here.
Why not? Is there no music playing on this boat?
Yeah, well, that's bigger.
Why not? They should be playing music. Okay, hold this. I'm sorry.
Yeah, take it.
Huh?
Get mine.
I'm gonna give you some.
Here, take it.